a Vietnam era veteran. I'm from Houston, and I came here mostly because the my kids and my grandkids stayed about 100 miles from me, and I was in Tyler, Texas. So when I heard about the program here at the Salvation Army, I had to come to the Dallas VA in order to sign up for it. So that keeps me here in Dallas, and the program is for homeless veterans, and it's homeless care for homeless veterans. I'm just glad that the Salvation Army is the one that's hosting it, even though it's a veterans program. If it wasn't for the Salvation Army, wouldn't be here, and I wouldn't be here. What caused my homelessness? Actually, it was the move. First of all, I left Louisiana and came here in 13. I was in a program for 90 days, and of course, I went to GM Union Gas Mission for 18 months, and me and my significant other, we got back together after 20 years of marriage, and we found out we couldn't live together, so I went homeless again, and again, and I'm glad that I was able to come back to the Salvation Army because I would have to live in my van. That's my tent. I'm a survivor, and that brought me back here. First of all, because I was losing. I was actually, losing my appointments here in Dallas. I couldn't make it here because my van broke down, and I needed surgeries. And I know that the Salvation Army is the best place for it because it's right in front of the medical center. So I had to come back here for that. I have several surgeries that I'm going through, and it's real convenient. I don't have to, try to find transportation or anything.
I am a 58-year-old woman. Got into a bad relationship and fell in some gray area, and I'm here. The expenses are high out there. Apartments are eight to 1,000, so every little bit helps. I need my driver's license, and I'm in a situation where I can do that. So work on that. Work on the things that I need to work on.
I'm a trim carpenter, and it's custom interiors, and I couldn't have a reach before the surgery. I had my shoulder replaced, so I'm working on now to have that reach because most of the trim is on the ceilings and the corners of the ceilings and all. And then I also build cabinets, and I cut these cabinets on the skill saw. So I want to be able to uh, assemble them after I cut them, and I still have to have my knee and my shoulder in order to carry and push the plywood through the saw. And if that don't work, maybe I can be a truck driver. I had surgery on my neck, so I can't drive forklift anymore, and that was something I was pursuing. So I have to change gears.
I went to school for a nurse assistant. I'm state certified, and I would try to go back to school and continue my education with that. This is my time to do what I need to do and get better. Things has been going so fast, and I came in through the outreach program, and God started moving fast in my life, and I'm in Step Up now, and it's a time of solitude and pressing forward. It means everything in the world for me because Salvation Army helped me to get back on my feet. Another start, starting over. And being responsible again for myself, for one thing. And coming here, there's a chapel every evening from 6 to 8, and it, has given me where I can get my relationship back with God. So that's the main thing. I love chapel. I love it. Like I said, it has gotten me where I can work on my relationship with God, and without God, it's downhill.
Salvation Army gives so much, so why can't I go out and give a little bit myself? Yeah, I'm excited about that. Christmas here is it's not boring. it's very active because there's a lot of people here, and that's going to be sharing Christmas together. My family is in Houston, Texas, and I don't have the resources to go and visit them during the Christmas holiday. So all I can do is get on Facebook, say Merry Christmas, guys. I'm in Dallas. I'm doing well, and yeah, I'm really, really excited about the bell ringing thing because, I want to be there not only to represent the Salvation Army, but I will be also representing the veterans that are here, because I have to represent, both the Salvation Army and the United States Air Force and the veterans of the United States, too. Salvation Army couldn't be where they are and what they are because they actually house a lot of people, homeless, children, battered women, guys that be sleeping on the street. And the bell ringing is one of those affairs that actually help them to provide those kind of services for people. So yeah, I'd love to be a part of that. Sure do.
I'm just grateful for Salvation Army, for a place like this, because there's not too many places that have a lot of educational programs that can push you up to succeeding to where you need to go.
Salvation Army is provide so much for us. As far as I'm concerned, I am very, very grateful that Salvation Army is here, and the volunteers that come here to help us out. Because some of these guys and myself, we came here with virtually nothing. I only had one change of clothes, and being here, volunteers come in, they and offer us, hygiene, clothing, support, because they know that it's a tough pill to swallow, and they help us with that. They help us with a lot. Salvation Army wasn't here, and I wouldn't know what I'd be doing. Just everyone is great here, all the volunteers and the case managers. I'm just grateful.